Hey guys, it's Steve with Futures and Charts. I appreciate you coming in here. And it's the 19th of March, and it's about 7:30 a.m. in Montana time. And the markets did open up a little bit higher this morning, but they seem to be kind of trying to settle back down. And there are some divergences in the charts between crude oil and diesel right now. Um, so I think it's just kind of important to go have a look at it so you can get a kind of a visual of what's going on. So let's just go do that. All right, so as you can see here, I have a bit of a trend line drawn in here, and this is the April crude oil contract. And as you can see here, the trend line, and I have a similar one drawn on the diesel as well, but right now we traded up a little higher earlier this morning, and right now we're down here at the bottom of this candle. And so we're still up 82 cents from yesterday's close, which closed right on the line. And now we have reversed some when we're below it. So there's just been some news out there that Iran is threatening to hit oil and gas infrastructure in some of its neighboring countries. So that's kind of got things a little bit spiked a little bit, but as you can also see here too on the, I don't know if you can see this, the volume has dropped quite a bit. So it could be that, see, now we're up above a buck right now, but so we're having some fluctuations. But let's look at the diesel chart because it's pretty interesting. So it's been trading in this channel, and we actually spiked above the old high here from a few days ago, and we're trading right on that upper trend line. And so this is actually looking a lot stronger than the crude oil one, because it's already traded above this previous high, which the crude oil, it never did. It didn't even come close. So because it hit about 120 and we're at 97.67 right now. So it is trying to climb a little more as we speak. So just kind of an interesting divergence on how the diesel is reacting compared to crude. And I really don't know why, because I know I talked about this before, that it's a world market, but in the US I don't think we're seeing any shortages anywhere. So the only thing we might have shortages on would be the fertilizer situation. But as far as fuel goes, I have no knowledge of any kind of shortage for that. So, but we can have a quick look at the overall market here. We're up $1.54 on crude oil and up 21 cents on the April diesel contracts and futures contracts. So yeah, it's another up day. I'd be really happy to see another downturn like we had here. There's a little bit of a gap here that we could fill, and there's a gap here. So yeah, I would like to see this break through this trend line here and start to go down to at least down to the 370 range, which would be down about 70 cents from where it's at now. So hopefully we'll get some resolution in the Middle East, and this thing will look a lot better for us here in the near future. So anyway, thanks for watching Futures and Charts, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.